Section 2E is agreement is equal to promise, mutual consideration. Section 2F is reciprocal promises is equal to consideration between parties. Section 2G is void agreement is equal to not enforceable. Section 2H is contract is equal to enforceable agreement. Section 2I is voidable contract is equal to enforceable by one party. Section 10 it's about conditions for valid contracts. Section 11 and it's about criteria for competency to contract Lalman Shukla v. Gauridat, 1913-40 ALJ 489, basis of law. Section 2 of the Indian Contract Act of 1872 is an interpretation clause that defines key terms used in contract law. No knowledge of reward or the court held that there can be no valid contract without the offeree's knowledge of the offer, and since the plaintiff was unaware of the reward offer when he found the missing nephew, there was no contract. Next is Bhagwan Das v. Girdharilal, 1966 AIR 543, 1966 SCR 1, 656, basis of law, promise to be a proposal when accepted becomes a promise. In simple words, when an offer is accepted it becomes promise. Principle of communication in contract law. It established that the acceptance of an offer is complete when it is communicated to the offerer, highlighting the principle of communication in contract law. Next is Carlyle v. Carbolic Smoke Balls Ltd., 1892, EWCA CIV 1, basis, Section 2A of the Indian Contract Act of 1872 defines a proposal as when a person expresses their willingness to do or abstain from doing something with the intention of getting the other person's agreement. An advertisement with specific conditions for a price is binding. The court established that an advertisement with specific conditions for a price constitutes a binding offer, which can be accepted by anyone fulfilling those conditions, even if the offer is made to the public at large. The offer is enforceable upon meeting the prescribed terms. Next came is Mohori Bibi v. Dharandas Gose, ILR, 1903, 30 calories 539, PC, basis of law, Section 2H of the Indian Contract Act, 1872 states that an agreement enforceable by law is a contract. Contracts by minors, or it ruled that contracts made by minors are void ab initio, meaning they cannot be enforced, even if the minor misrepresents their age. Next is Pharmaceutical Society of Great Britain v. Boots Cash Chemists Limited, 1953 EWCA CIV 6, rules apply, Section 18, 1 of the Indian Contract Act of 1872 defines misrepresentation, and Section 25 of the Indian Contract Act, 1872 states that an agreement without consideration is void, unless it meets certain conditions and display of goods not an offer but invitation to treat. The court ruled that the display of goods in a store is not an offer but an invitation to treat. The customer makes the offer to purchase when they place the goods in their basket, which can then be accepted or rejected by the seller at the checkout.